Hello, ladies. Good afternoon. Well, actually, it's almost afternoon in a few minutes. Good morning. It's late morning. We're on the cusp of noon. So, hello, ladies. I just finished up a really, really encouraging interview, a very insightful interview with one of my clients who joined me at the Maximize Your Money Bootcamp for Women Entrepreneurs last December, Tyra Pickett. And it was a very encouraging interview. So, check it out. It's in my Facebook group. Join us there. Um, it's my Facebook group for women entrepreneurs. You can check that out. But one of the things I wanted to talk about, I said, I'm gonna do a quick discussion on this. Yeah, tax season. Tax season is here, and as a woman entrepreneur, I know a lot of you. We all are getting ready. You should be, right? If you should be filing taxes every year. If you're not, okay, get on it. Hello, Deborah. Good morning. So nice to see you. So nice to see you. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here because I wanted to talk to you about tax season. And I know when we hear tax season, it's like groaning, right? Groaning and moaning and yeah, tax season sounds like a drag, and it can be in a lot of ways because there's a lot involved. You need to get things together. You need to pull your paperwork together. You need to, get your figures together as much as possible. And no matter who does your taxes, you still got to do some kind of work to get it prepared. And so one of the things I wanted to talk about very quickly was, are you ready? Are you ready for tax season? Right? As a woman entrepreneur, we have a different situation. When you're an employee, they give you the W-2 and they tell you this is what you made, this is the taxable amount, etc. Right? They break it all down for you. They tell you what to basically, whoever does your taxes, to just plug it in. And that's cool. But when you're a woman entrepreneur, you don't have somebody just handing you a W-2 like that. Now it's your time, right? Now it's for you. It's up to you to figure out, okay, what did I spend? What did I earn, right? It's up to you to call the information together so that you can make sure that when you sit down with that person who's doing your taxes, and I'm going to segue for a moment, you should have someone doing your taxes. So if you're getting ready to do TurboTax and you are a woman entrepreneur with a business, just stop. Unless you are trained in tax preparation or you are a certified public accountant, you shouldn't be doing it yourself. And I do suggest, even if you are, don't do it yourself. You know how it's easy to see things, you don't see certain things when it's you, and somebody with an overview can help you maximize your own taxes, even if you are skilled in that area. But either way, your taxes should not be done by you. They should not be done by TurboTax. It should not be done with all these different programs. You need somebody with business expertise in doing your taxes. So when that time comes, make sure your stuff is ready. And so that's what I want to talk to you about. Like if you know, if you know all year, if you can relate, feel free. And I mean, you might not want to comment on here, but feel free. If you have any thoughts, feel free, ladies. Ladies who watch the replay, anyone who's joining me now. The thing is, like, when it comes to your taxes, it's time for you to cull together all that information. And if you haven't been keeping your personal and business separate, or if you don't have any organization, this is going to be a real task for you. This is going to be a real task. And I was talking to someone, or I heard someone say, some of you are dreams for your tax preparer because they have to spend hours just going through your stuff before they can even file, which means they're charging you for it. And that's true. Like some of them will do that for you. So to save time, to save money, and also to be a boss lady entrepreneur, you want to make sure you have it together yourself. And it's not as hard as you think. So I wanted to share that with you because guess what? In the Maximize Your Money 3-day virtual bootcamp for women entrepreneurs, I'm going to show you, if you join us, that is, if you join us, which I hope that you do, you're invited. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your system, what you need, basically how to do it, and so that you get organized. And this is not just about tax season, right? But that's when you start to see the importance, like when it's time to pull that information out and you are spending hours because you don't know where stuff is, or you just you just hand it to somebody else, or hopefully you're filing. Maybe you're not filing. But so the thing is, I'm going to be going over what I use and what I do so that every year when I go to my lady to do my taxes, my professional CPA tax lady preparer, she says to me every year, she's like, Yolanda, this is so organized. Thank you. And it takes her no time to do my taxes because it's clear. It's clear. She knows what our expenses, what I can get a tax break on, where I can get more money back, where I can, bring down my tax bill. So these are the things that are important. That's why it's so important for you to be really ready. And are you sure? And if you're not sure, then you can get some guidance, get some help, get some support. I'm going to be doing that in the boot camp. So I'm calling this the tax edition of this boot camp because we got tax season coming up. I haven't checked the deadline again. I assume it's April as usual, but it might be a little later. I'll check and see. But this gives you plenty of time, ladies. So join us for this. It'll be 3 days of support, direction with your finances, with getting them organized, with making them work better for you. And also you're going to be with a lot of amazing women. Quite a few ladies have registered. I'm looking forward to supporting many more. And I'm just telling you now, I'm doing early bird on the promotion for this event. So that means you save 66% off the ticket when you register now, but you do need to do it by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. And I know how it is, you might want to wait until the last minute and you might not see my reminder. So I just suggest go on and get your ticket if you really want to come and you want to join us and you think this would really help you and you want to get some clarity and support. And you also want to just be around a really, really positive, inspiring, motivated, ambitious women entrepreneurs. This is the place to be. This is it. That's what we're all about, all of us. Me, all of the ladies there, and it's a safe space to get clearer on your money and your business vision and on your system and your plan for the next quarter for 2021. So I'm going to share that link for you. I'm going to be putting it here. I don't know if I have it copied, but anyway, I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to probably put it in here when I end this live. Just pop it in there for you. So if you'd like to join us again, it's February 19th through 21st. And this is a golden opportunity to get your early bird ticket before it goes up, because it is going up. It's going up after that. So you could save $30 on your ticket right now. And then it goes up again. So I would grab it if you'd like to come. Okay. And if you have any questions, my alarm's going off. I have my alarm set so I know stay on track today. So if you have any questions, just message me on Facebook, any questions about the event. And please feel free to share this video with anyone you think might, might benefit from this or who might want to join us at the Maximize Your Money 3-day virtual boot camp for women entrepreneurs. All right, ladies, so have a fantastic afternoon, and I'll see some of you at the boot camp, and otherwise I will talk to you soon. All right, and I'm so happy that you've been here with me, Deborah. Have a fantastic day, and anyone else watching the replay. All right, see you later, ladies. Bye.